if you owned a 2013 Hyundai Elantra or any shape similar 2013 Elantra and you're having a steering rattling, chances are the bushing in this motor goes bad. So you need to pull the steering column and get this part. Got this at I think it's Advanced Auto. So this is the bushing. You got that little rattling sound in the steering. Yeah, chances this is what's bad in it. So you're gonna need to drop the steering column just like I do and fit this right in this, right here, and your problem should be solved. Now I got to put the steering column back up. Alright, thanks for watching.